Hi, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Binance. If you're looking to update the email linked to your Binance account, I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Binance app and tap the app icon in the top left corner. Then, tap on your username at the top. Next, select Security and under the Security settings, tap on Email. Click the pencil, edit, icon next to your current email address. You'll see a prompt asking if you're sure you want to change your email. Go ahead and tap Continue. Now, enter your new email address. After that, click on Get Code to receive a verification code. Check your email inbox for the code, enter it in the field provided, and then tap Submit. Once the code is verified, your email address will be successfully updated. As you can see, the email on my account has been changed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful content.